Thank you, Kelsey Lowe, for challenging me to take the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I'm honored, and I encourage everybody who's watching this video and who accepts my nomination to learn more about Lou Gehrig's disease, the history, and what you can do to help out aside from doing this bucket challenge. And I also encourage you to make a donation regardless. So anyways, I nominate my sister Alex Way, Brad Gray, Carrie Stevens, Mai and Lila Diaz, Casey Harlan, and Kristen May to take on this challenge.
Oh. Jesus, this is even worse than I thought it was.
So, you now have 24 hours to take the challenge and or make a donation of $100 to the ALS Foundation. Good luck.